Another one, a superclass variable can refer a subclass object. Okay. A superclass variable can refer a subclass object. So here, publication. Okay, publication P equal to new book. So one error will come. Okay. Okay, here error cannot find simple set data 1 to data 1. Okay, set data 1 to data 1. The error is cannot find simple. Okay, sorry. Here P, here also P. Okay. Okay, so cannot find simple method set data 1. Okay, and method put data 1. Okay, so here the error is cannot find simple. Okay, at line number 36 and 37. So actually we can store the subclass object to the superclass. Okay, it's correct. But okay, so we need to declare this set data 1 and put data 1 method here. So I change this here also set data, here also put data. Okay, here both the super and the subclass contain the same method with the same format. Okay, book class contain void set data. Okay, here also void set data, string title comma price. Here void put data, here void put data, then put data. Here the put data function is the overridden function. Okay, the method overriding. Actually, method overriding means both super and subclass contain the same method with the same format. The set data is not overridden method, but put data is overridden method. Here, the publication and the book class contain the put data function with same format. Here, void put data no argument. Okay, publication also void put data no argument. Okay, so this is called method override. Okay, method override. Important concept. Method overloading. You already seen method overloading. This is method overriding. So what is method overloading? What is method overloading?
Same method name but different parameters.
Okay. The class contains more than one method with same name, but the signature is different. Okay. So we can define more than one method with the same name, but the format is different. Okay, that is called method overloading. Okay, for method overloading, only one class is enough. Okay, but the method overriding, it's occurred in inheritance. Method overriding means the subclass method override the superclass method. Okay, subclass method override the superclass method because both super and subclass contain the same method with the same format. Okay, here set data, okay, is overloading. Set data is overloading at the book class. Okay, here 3 arguments, here only 2 arguments. Okay, so this is overloading, not over. This is overloading in the derivative class, in subclass. So subclass inherit set data with 2 parameters from its superclass publication, and the book class also contain one function set data with 3 arguments. Okay, this is method overloading. But put data, here void put data no argument, here void put data no argument. So this is method override. So suppose if we call the put data, this is recursive function. That means this put data function calls itself. Okay. So we want Okay, so suppose we need to invoke the put data of the super class. Java provide one keyword, that is super keyword. Okay, super keyword. In Java, there are two keywords are very, very important. One is this keyword and another one is super keyword. So actually this keyword refers to the current object. Super keyword refers to the superclass. Okay. Okay, uh, super keyword refers to the superclass. Here, the put data, void put data is a member of both super and subclass. The void put data is a member function of publication and book class. Okay. So how can we differentiate? We can differentiate them using the super keyword. So super dot put data means it will invoke the super class put data method. Okay. So now this program will work. Put data. So here data, here set data. Okay, only one error, that is class publication cannot be applied, okay, to the set data because here the set data is not defined here. So I just declare one method. Okay, then Java P. Okay, now it will display title, price, then number of pages. Okay, so here we can store, that is a reference variable of super class can be assigned a reference to any subclass derived from that superclass. Okay, so here book. Okay, actually here the publication P. So P is a superclass reference variable, but that variable contains the subclass object book. Okay. Okay. But we cannot store the subclass. We cannot store the superclass object into subclass reference variable. That is invalid. Okay. So we can store the subclass object into superclass reference variable. It is valid. Okay. Okay. Now the super keyword. So here I am going to use the constructor. Okay, publication. Okay, publication, string, title, float, price. So this is constructor. So what is constructor? Constructor has the same name as a class name. What is the purpose of constructor? This is automatic initialization. Okay, automatic initialization is carried out by a special member function that is called constructor. So here also one constructor, book. Okay. So here I invoke the super class constructor using the keyword super. Okay, using the keyword super. Super of title price. So here I use, so there is no need of set data method. Okay, there is no need of set data method. Okay, so publication P, new book of title, price, then number of pages. Okay, So here I'm using constructor. So this is superclass constructor, this is subclass constructor. Okay. So here the super keyword is used to explicitly invoke the superclass constructor from the subclass constructor. Okay, are you clear? So this keyword is used to explicitly invoke one constructor from another constructor within a class. Okay, this keyword is used to explicitly invoke one constructor from another constructor, but within a class. But here, the super keyword is used to invoke the superclass constructor from the subclass constructor. Okay, that is one use. The second use is it differentiates superclass and subclass members if they are in same name. So here void put data, here also void put data. So how can we differentiate superclass put data and subclass put data using the keyword super? Okay, super keyword. So super keyword. So but what is method overriding? Method overriding means both super and subclass contain the same method with the same format. Then the subclass method override the superclass method. This is called method overriding. Okay. So super keyword refers to superclass object. It has two uses. Okay. First, it differentiates the superclass and subclass members if they are in same name. Second use is to explicitly invoke the superclass constructor from the subclass constructor. Okay, save this program. Java. Okay, Java PWM. Okay. So this is the use of super. Okay.